Mama said it's much better on the Twitch app.
Crazy.
It must be something to do with all the fucking overlays or something. That, I don't know. Just, yeah, see? She said the widgets in Streamlab Mobile make it lag, I guess. So, that's exactly what... You just read my mind. Sweet. It's been smooth since I started it. I'm excited. Though. Fuck you. Now I can just relax and chill and be present.
I'm not sharing my food with you.
Hey, bud.
Where'd it go? I might give you a piece of jerky. Here, good boy.
Oh, yeah, I'll do that for sure. I'll set that up.
Pouting in the car? Why do you want to be friends with me, but I feel like it's only you have to.
I'm not Duke can't reach her. I could probably go for her. Have it if you want to.
You want a snack? I'm like, I love you too. Want some cheese?
Sleeping there overnight? I'm not sure. I only brought one blanket. I didn't plan on it, but I don't work tomorrow, so we'll see how drunk I get, I guess. If I'm drunk enough, I can just sleep on with one blanket. Shake? No, shake. Is this confusing you? Shake. There you go. Lay down. Lay down. Oh, he's not even done with it. Lay down. Hey, down. Duke, what are you doing?
This smells better.
Hey, lay down. Lay down, stay. Jeez, bad boy. This, you get one more. Oh wait, does he give me one more? Oh, okay, you get one more. Last one's for Papa. This is a good spot though, I'm so happy about it. I'm stoked the van came with this lady gave me this canopy with the van too, and it's raining, so it's fucking beautiful, it's perfect. You're being a bad little beggar boy. I'm gonna go drop you off somewhere. I'm gonna go drop you off at Walmart and you can beg there.
You'll be right in place there. Yeah.
Put a little doggy cast on him with a sign, out of work. The 808s on this one.
It's like a 3 for me, 1 for you.
Hey, sweet if we caught like a thunderstorm or something on stream. With some crazy lightning. What? A mountain lion just killing a fucking doe.
Closing your
Yeah, just like looking through the curtain. This is Idaho, or Washington, the Northwest. It's the Northwest. Where are we at? We're in the Northwest.
Indeterminate location in the Northwest.
I'm in my van, babe.
You having fun, Dad?
Pointless to get that shit wet.
That's only stuff we need to stay dry, for sure.
What?
The wood.
Oh, yeah, that. I was mostly talking about this box.
Oh, yeah.
Just getting wet for no reason.
Hammer and shit.
At least the wind's not bad right now.
Right.
Yeah.
Ugh.
This like blocks most of the wind.
This is terrible, though.
You don't have a towel in there, huh?
Nah.
Just that blanket.
This dude's blanket. Why?
Well, I was thinking you could just throw it over the little gap right here real quick. And then it would absorb, but it wouldn't get through.
It gets so wet.
You'd have to wring it out before you leave.
You're in our Discord and posted in mine too. Hey, thank you.
Hey, sorry. Done.
Fuck it. I don't know how to do this. So.
Okay.
Probably roll this up too, since his ass isn't even using it.
Oh, well, you could probably use that window to throw it up there.
Oh, here. Do you wanna anchor it for me here? Oh yeah, to throw it up there. Duh. I thought you were talking about to like pinch it or something.
Here, Deb.
Oh wait. Maybe I can. No, I can't. Ooh. Here, I'll try and toss it up. Like a fucking bull.
You only need it to cover your spot, really.
Yeah. Just like a bull rider, dude. There you go.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, if you can pull that over that way. I guess we'll probably just pull this one down.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's gonna work though.
Oh, it looks like it's working better, yeah. I have problems adding people sometimes, but I wouldn't doubt if she left because of cigarettes. I wouldn't blame her.
Do you want me to be mad? Quit being a jerk.
haven't heard this song in so long. Yo, what's up, Icy? What's up, Fouch? Out here being mad and being tripping balls. Why you mad? It doesn't let me at people sometimes. Oh, you're not mad, you're tripping balls. Cool. Well, I'm glad you're here, dude. You're in a safe space. Yeah, well, there's a nice fire over here. Warm yourself up. We got Dookie Wang here, too. We got Hayes here chilling. We got Hayes' girlfriend. I feel so bad. The first time we met, I was really drunk. What's her name again? Angel. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, I was pretty fucked there. And we got Angel here, and then we got the kiddos running around. Sitting up here crisscross applesauce helps too, I guess. I just don't know if it's dripping more or less now. Right? I feel like I don't even know. Yeah, he doesn't. He's really picky. Hey, thank you for the sub. I can see subs. Thank you. People always, my older cousins and aunts that were girls used to always like fuck with me and be like, I want your eyebrows and eyelashes and lips. I had this dude when I was traveling be like, wow, bro, like, you got some fucking fierce, like, feminine energy, but like in a good way. Oh, stop it. Sorry if I have a big delay, too. I'm out in the woods. My phone always has a delay. Dookie Wang's the hottie. Huh, Duke? You're the hottie. That's a little hottie right there. The delay isn't that huge. Ah, it's like running a gauntlet every time I stick my cigarette out to ash it. I'm like, ah! Might get caught in some water. Whoa, careful where you flip your flops. They might go in the fire. Why are you pouting? Cool, I'm happy. Because I only had 2 bars and the Streamlabs app was making it really shitty. So I took a chance and switched to the Twitch app and it's working great. I think. And I saw your sub. Thank you. I appreciate you. I probably just don't see Streamlabs stuff, but I'm sure I see bits and subs. Should probably test the bits out. Okay. Oh, it's actually in 420? Fuck yes, cool. All our problems were solved, and Fauci even gave me a sub. Yeah? Yeah. We got people in here chilling now. That's Hayes in the background. He's on Rust and shit, Fauci. He runs the server, actually. Stable camera makes a big difference. Yeah, I got a really
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think it is. I've seen people drink it like when I'm on tour and shit.
From Hood River, Oregon.
Oh, it's from Hood River, Oregon. It's almost local.
Northwest.
Northwest, NW. Where the weed's legal, no matter where I am on stream. Sessions. It's nothing special. Sessions. It's not bad. It's good shit.
It's weird, man. It gets better as it gets warmer.
It's like upper middle. It's like upper low bottom shelf beer.
What was that sale? It's Super One.
It's lower middle shelf beer. It's better than fucking Coors Light or
And
anything.
it's also my favorite beer.
I love it, dude.
I love
My
it.
band buys it all the time, and I'm never mad because sometimes they buy some really bad IPAs.
That's who got me hooked on Sessions.
I'm not
Your
surprised.
fucking band, dude.
Hayes looking all angelic with the hoodie and the light coming from behind him. This man is the one who prepared all this shit. I just threw gas in my van. So fucking most of the credit goes to him and Angel here.
It was Angel. It wasn't me. It was her.
It was Angel. Dude, she came out, she was like, this is how you set the canopy up. Doo, doo, doo. She fucking helped me waterproof my area a little bit more and shit. She's carrying us out here on Rust right now.
Yeah. Carrying us on real life rust.
Yeah.
We didn't even have to start with our
Fuel
weed,
and
though.
food. Yeah, if you need any space, if you're gonna cook or anything, let me know and I can set up the table. You have a prep space. Oh, for sure. I'm just eager to use it. I'm like, anything you need.
You can come set your hot dogs on it.
If you need to take a shit or... I'm happy this is working decent. It's cozy. I was waiting for that. I thought I'm feeling cozy. On my way out here, I was so giddy. I was like, I love it. The fucking canopy really makes it.
Hey.
This is how we're doing barter fair.
Hey.
If they do barter fair this summer, it's gonna be this, and we're all gonna be tripping and high and shit.
Selling balloons.
Selling balloons.
Magnetic.
Oh yeah.
Probably get a couple little magnets.
Oh, fuck,
Strong
yeah, that's
ass
smart as hell.
magnets.
Yeah.
That's such a good idea.
Yo, I have a magnet bag. It's for hiding shit under your car when you're
Just ate dinner. What'd you eat?
But it would stick to anything on your van.
Right? It'll erase the memory in my van. It just doesn't start up. Fucking EMPs, my
No,
van.
it would just be like you couldn't find a station on your radio.
Yeah.
It'll still start up just fine.
It's just picking up some alien frequencies or some shit. It's lots of IRL content popping off right now. Hell yeah, dude. We're out here trying to make it. I've been planning this shit for a long time. I'm so happy to be able to peel myself away from the computer. Yo, here, I gotta show you guys something. I hope it still works. I almost feel like we should take the blanket off and do the same thing, but on the other side.
Your turn, man. I'm soaked.
No, I can do it. I don't really want to mess with it, though.
I got wet the
I'm good. It's good, I think, for now. I don't want to fuck with it. Here, hold up. I gotta show you guys something.
If you want anything other to drink than beer, I have like
Some-
tea and shit.
For sure. You grilled up some brats? Hell yeah. Here, let me check, make sure we're charging. Okay, we're charging. We need to charge it now. I'm at 30%. But boys, check this out. And girls, sorry. Oh yeah, that's a CV radio. Tango 1, 2, we're out here looking for some chicken heads. Over. I'm looking for some chicken heads. Fucking Breaker 19. This is the Wang Wagon. Got a couple smokes sitting of 64 East. Coming down 5. Coming down 5 like a bat out of hell. I gotta switch everything around since we're charging now. We're gonna go to the opposite side. So no fire view anymore for now. Sorry, guys. I'm saving the external battery for if it gets really dark and we're like sitting out by the fire.